as unforgettable experience is the Chiflón Waterfalls, Chiapas. Do you want to discover the natural beauty of Chiapas? Are you looking for exciting and refreshing adventure? Don't miss the tour for the Chiflón Waterfalls, Chiapas.
The Chiflón Waterfalls are a set of 5 waterfalls located in Tejido San Cristobalito in the municipality of Simol in the state of Chiapas. These waterfalls are characterized by their impressive waterfalls, their crystalline pools, and their lush vegetation.
On this tour, you will be able to enjoy the following activities: tour of the 5 wonderful clothing, the Velo de Novia waterfall, the hikes in Chiapas, bathing the crystalline pools of the Velo de Novia, buffet lunch at local restaurant.
The tour is carried out in a comfortable and safe vehicle and with an experienced guide who will accompany you throughout and the tour. Don't miss opportunity to see one most beautiful place in Chiapas and reserve your post today for only 750 pesos.
A special promotion for a limit, get 20% of your reservation. Call us at 96113-70729 or book online on our website. Don't miss out